Hey there friends, glad to have you here. Today I'm going to guide you through the process of signing up on WhiteBIT, one of the most beginner-friendly crypto exchanges out there. This is your first step into the exciting world of crypto trading, and we'll make sure it's smooth, simple, and stress-free. We'll walk through how to set up your account, grab your welcome bonuses, fund your wallet, and make your first crypto purchase, step by step, so you feel confident from the very beginning. And here's a little gift. If you register using our special link in the description, you could unlock up to $6,200 in bonuses. Not bad for your first day in crypto. Ready to roll? Tap that like button, and let's jump in. What is WhiteBIT? WhiteBIT is a global crypto exchange that's perfect for both newcomers and seasoned traders. It offers everything you need to get started and grow. Easy crypto swaps, powerful trading tools, and even passive income options. With over 400 trading pairs available and offices stretching from Portugal to Australia, WhiteBIT is a serious player on the global stage. What makes it stand out? A few awesome features. Staking with returns up to 30% APY, demo tokens so you can practice trading without risking real money. Fast verification. WhiteBIT is clearly focused on making crypto accessible to everyone, and we're here to help you take that first step. How to register. Creating your WhiteBIT account is quick and easy, even if you are brand new to crypto. Just follow these steps and you'll be set up in minutes. Visit the site, open your browser on mobile or desktop and click the link in our video description. Why that link? Because it takes you straight to the sign up page and activates your bonus. Click Sign Up in the top right corner. You'll see a registration form appear. Enter your email address. Use a valid email. You'll need it to receive a confirmation code. Create a secure password. Make sure it's strong and unique. Save it somewhere safe. You'll need it to log in. Add your referral code. In the referral field, enter CP6969, also listed in the description. This unlocks up to $6,200 in bonuses, a fantastic boost to get started. Agree to the terms. Tick the box to accept the platform's terms and conditions. Click Continue. WhiteBIT will send a 6-digit code to your email. Verify your email. Open your inbox, find the message from WhiteBIT, copy the code, and paste it into the form. Didn't see the email? Check your spam folder just in case. Log into your account. Once verified, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Enter your email and password, and you're in. Verification. Verifying your identity on WhiteBIT helps confirm you're a real user, not a bot. While it's not mandatory, we strongly suggest completing it, especially if you want access to advanced features like withdrawals up to 100 BTC per day, support for fiat currencies like Euro, USD, and others, extra tools and welcome bonuses. For beginners, the process is quick and straightforward. Here's how to do it. Standard verification. Head to your account settings and fill out the form. Full name, date of birth. Upload a clear photo of your passport or ID. Take a selfie holding that document along with a handwritten note that says WhiteBIT com plus today's date. Submit everything and wait. Most verifications are completed within 24 hours. Once approved, you'll unlock more platform features and receive access to exclusive bonuses. Don't forget to check the video description. We've listed top-rated exchanges, wallets, and crypto tools to help you get started. And be sure to join our Telegram channel, where our team shares daily updates, market insights, and helpful tips. Deposits and withdrawals. To begin trading on WhiteBIT, you'll first need to add funds to your account and know how to withdraw them later. The platform supports both crypto and fiat, and it's beginner-friendly if you follow these steps. Depositing crypto. Go to your wallet, click Deposit, and select a coin. We recommend USDT, a stablecoin ideal for newcomers. Choose the TRC20 network, low fee, around 30 cents. Copy the wallet address and send funds from another exchange or wallet. Depositing USD. In the wallet section, switch to fiat currencies. Choose USD and click Deposit. Enter the amount, for example 500 USD, input your card details and confirm the transaction. Withdrawing funds. Click Withdraw, pick your crypto or fiat currency. Enter the destination wallet address for crypto or your card number for fiat. Specify the amount and confirm using 2FA. That's a code from your Authenticator app. We'll cover this in another video. Important, always verify the network before sending crypto. A single mistake could result in lost funds, so double check everything. For beginners, this step is absolutely essential. Stay alert. Trading on WhiteBIT. Let's talk about the heart of crypto, trading. WhiteBIT gives you 2 solid ways to get started, and we'll break them down so even first-timers know exactly where to begin. Spot trading. This is the most straightforward method. You buy or sell crypto at the current market rate. WhiteBIT supports over 250 cryptocurrencies and more than 400 trading pairs like BTC USDT. The trading fee, just 1/10 of 1%, super affordable for beginners. Head to the trade section, pick your pair, enter the amount and hit buy or sell. The layout is clean and intuitive. You'll see live price charts and order tools to help you make fast, informed decisions. Futures trading. Feeling adventurous? Futures are a more advanced option. Here you can trade with leverage up to 20. That means with just 100 USDT, you could open a position worth 2,000 USDT. Sounds exciting? It is, but it also comes with risk, so proceed carefully. Luckily, WhiteBIT offers a demo mode where you can practice without putting real money on the line. We've got a full video dedicated to futures trading. Check it out on our channel if you want to dive deeper. And that's a wrap. WhiteBIT is a beginner-friendly platform we truly recommend. Fast sign-up, quick verification, easy deposits, and clear trading tools. We've laid out everything step by step so you can start your crypto journey with confidence. No stress, no confusion. Use our link in the description to register, unlock bonuses up to $6,200, and join us in the crypto space. Thanks for tuning in, and if this guide helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe. Your support means a lot and helps us keep creating more helpful content just like this.